If you had been using pfSense and sending those logs to QReader, you probably noticed that with a recent version of pfSense, the parser, the QReader parser broke. Well, particularly with pfSense, the paid version 2205 or the community edition 2.6, the parser wasn't working. IBM fixed that issue, and our friend Polo tracked all these and wanted me to make a video out of this. To make sure that you got that update, you go into the admin tab, you go into update, click here on view update history, and then look for either Netgate or pfSense. Let me go Netgate. And notice that this is being created on 2022, on 11 months. So this is about November, December of 2022. So if you have that parser, now your logs will be working fine, as you can see here in my demo system. Just one notice, it's if you see in my demo system, sometimes you see a few logs that are unknown. The reason for that, let me find one of those. Here is one. The reason is the parser does not deal with DNS over TLS, and that's why that's something that probably Polo may fix, and he will, if he does, he will let me know, and we'll do a video on how you can actually extend the parser to deal with this particular situation. Just as a refresher, in order to get those pfSense logs to get to QReader, you need to go under Status, System Logs, Settings, and then you scroll down, and you need to have that option checked. And it's always good to have the firewall, the DNS, and the DHCP at least being sent to QReader. But also you need one more thing to do in pfSense. You also need to go under Services, DNS Resolver, and then when you scroll down, there are two options that you need to have. This one is something that I'm doing with my Unbound, my proxy you don't need, but you need to have server colon as a custom option, and then log-replies colon yes. And with that, you'll get the logs into QReader from pfSense, and with the updated parser, you should be good to go. One final thing is that this parser does work with the standard QReader. With the community edition, you need to, because it doesn't support auto updates, you will need to install the parsers via RPM. I'm pretty sure I did a video in the past that show how to do that.